I'm Will. I run Gaia Adventures, which takes people climbing and onto these ledges below to go cliff camping. We're at a place called Porth Saint, which is just by Rhoscolyn on Anglesey. Anglesey has a really nice rugged coastline, so people come here to go climbing, sea kayaking. Some people come cliff camping. Climbing above the sea, or just being above the sea, is really special. You don't really get to do it anywhere else. The really nice thing about being on this bit of the coast path is the fact that you can't see anything. You can't see any houses or any lights. It feels really remote. You can't get phone signal here either, so you're just completely removed from modern day noises and life, I guess. You can just hear the sound of the birds, the waves lapping. It just feels really special.